Hi friends. All right, you guys are literally in my pantry right now, and we're gonna do a pantry slash cabinet, same, clean out and restocking. I wanna give you all of the tips, whether your goals are to lose weight, if you're doing the summer shape up with us, which starts in just a couple of days. If you're not, go sign up, the link is down below. But whatever your goals are, having your pantry on point is so important because that's usually where all of like the junk food lives that's way too easily accessible. So I'm gonna walk you through what I do when I'm cleaning out my pantry, especially after like 4th of July parties, and then what I do to restock my pantry to make sure that it has all of the healthiest snacks, everything I need, and all of my staples in there. If you guys have the Guiltless Nutrition Guide or the Hot Body Meal Plan, you probably know what those staples are, but I'm gonna show you how I store them because it makes a huge difference. So if you're ready to clean out the pantry, sweat that thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's dive in. So today we're officially starting the free 3-day Shape Up meal plan. So if you guys haven't signed up for Summer Shape Up and gotten that yet, go, the link's down below, go get signed up, you can still get it. But this is the perfect time after 4th of July and everything for me to clean out my cabinets and show you guys what I load them up with, because there's some stuff in there that normally isn't in there. So we'll go through all of that. But I'm really excited because like probably 2 years ago, I used to use Thrive Market. And I don't know why I stopped, but I'm so happy I'm using them again and really excited to be partnering with them on this video. They're sponsoring so that I can show you guys this full cabinet clean out. And I got a fully loaded box right here to stock up. It's so necessary with how much we've been traveling. Anyway, so let's get into it. There are 3 main things we're gonna talk about. One is out with the old, like what to ditch from your cabinets, because that is probably the most important. Then number 2 is all about organizing and making space for the good things. And number 3 is loading up with the good things, so like what we're gonna put into it. So let's get it. I'm gonna show you my best tips for cleaning it out first. So here we go. I actually keep my cabinets pretty organized. I mean, that looks like kind of chaotic, but it's super important to me, so I'm doing it all the time. But right now we have some culprits down here that probably got to go. We're gonna start with number 1 and dig into that cabinet. And number 1 is getting rid of stuff. So out with the old, the things that you shouldn't keep in your cabinets because they're just not helping you with your goals. And I have a really specific rule that I use to follow. So when we get into my cabinets, mine are pretty clean because I live by these rules, and they're gonna be such game changers for you guys if you start applying them. And this number 1 rule is the rule of 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All about ingredients. If you have something in your cabinet, well, I don't care what it is, anything that has more than 5 ingredients, it's gotta go, because it just shows like it is super processed, too much stuff going on in it. And one of the biggest culprits are things like sauces. So let's take a peek. So in my pantry, I keep things like teas and like different like mixes, and then snack foods and nuts and all those things. Down here I have like sauces, and we'll get to snacks in just a second. But into the sauces, so like this one from Primal Kitchen, this is actually from Thrive Market, I recently got. So this has organic tomato concentrate, balsamic vinegar, a tiny bit of salt, organic onion powder, garlic powder, and spices. So this is good to go. It is in that clean, super simple list. This one is a barbecue sauce. This is not from Thrive Market. And let's find the ingredients. Holy ingredients list. Do you guys see that? That's crazy. That is a lot of ingredients in there. And let's see, water, salt, corn syrup, like no. This has got to go. So there's a couple of things you can do if you are getting rid of stuff out of your cabinet. So if they have more than 5 ingredients, you're like, nope, it's out. There's a few ways you can do it. One, if it's unopened like that barbecue sauce, you can donate it to a food bank. Like there are people who need those things and can use them. So again, you can donate them to start. Number 2, you can always take it to the office. So if you have like, we'll get into snack foods, if you have like extra things that are maybe opened, then just like give them to the office, put them in the break room, like let other people enjoy them, get them out. And then let's talk about the snacks and I'll get to number 3. So these guys are all kind of better for you snacks. Some organic tortilla chips. These are all from Thrive Market, and they are way healthier, non-GMO, clean, simple ingredients. And all of them meet that rule of 5 criteria. These little sweet potatoes literally have 5 ingredients. They're like right in there, but they're still snack foods. And at the end of the day, like they have fat, they have different things that aren't like pure coming from a nut butter or something where you're like, yeah, it's a great fat for me. They're still extras. So I like to keep my snacks away from my eyesight, like out of sight, out of mind. So these are post 4th of July party snacks that we kind of just threw in here. But normally, because this cabinet I'm in every single day, I'm grabbing my Vital, I'm getting different things like pastas and beans and stuff that I need in here constantly. I'm always looking at, if I kept my snacks in here, I'd see them all the time, because I'm kind of like a chip fiend, like it is my weakness, and then I'd want to eat them all the time. So instead, we go up, up, up to the very top, and we're gonna put all the snacks up there so that they are out of sight, out of mind. Again, if they're open, take them to the office break room, let your friends enjoy them there. But if it's something that's closed that you wanna hang on to, because healthier, better for you snacks usually do cost a little more. Luckily at Thrive, they are way less expensive, which is great. So you can either get rid of them or store them up in your cabinet so you don't see them all the time, but you know they're there if you have friends come over, so you don't have to waste them. And the last main tip about cleaning out your cabinets is you should have all ingredients you can read. So even if it's less than 5 and you're like, I have no idea what 3 of these are, get rid of it. All right, guys, so number 2 for cleaning out your cabinets is really all about like being able to see the good stuff so that you are always like grabbing healthy snacks. So in here, I have all of these tubs, and like these ones kind of look a little chaotic right now, but I know what's in all of them. I can see clearly. I have my Four Sigmatic, different teas. Down here I have snacks. Like this is easy for me to grab at any time and make sure I have a healthy snack. Super convenient. I have all of my nuts and seeds back here, proteins, all of the different like sauces and spices and olive oils, nut butters. All that stuff stays here, and these are really nice to be able to just slide in and out and keep it organized. And then again on the bottom, protein, vital waters, all the things. My goal is just to always be able to see the ingredients, see what's in there, so you can easily grab it, and again, always have a healthy choice. And the last step, number 3, is in with the new. So if you have a cabinet you're cleaning out and you're like, oh my gosh, I just got rid of so much stuff, I have nothing in my cabinets right now, you gotta make sure you are stocking it up with healthy, real ingredients so that you always have those good options. So I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I just got at Thrive. They have so much stuff, like it's kind of insane. So let's dig into the box. I got so excited when this box came. Ryan was like, oh my gosh, you ordered so much stuff. But I literally spent $100 and got about double what I would get at the normal grocery store locally that I go to. So, I mean, that's like a really good deal. I already put some of it in the fridge, so I'll show you guys some of that. But these are like my cabinet staples. So I took them out of the package, left them in here so you guys can see what those look like on the regular. Number 1, you will always find is gluten-free oats. These are amazing. I use them in shakes, smoothies. I do overnight oats, just regular oats, all the things. If you guys are doing the meal plan, you know, like these are such a good healthy carb to throw in your smoothie. So I got those. Those are always in my cabinet. Yes, I eat mayonnaise, you guys. I lost 45 pounds and I still eat mayo. But this is my go-to from Primal Kitchen. It's avocado oil mayo, and it's really good. And I mix it with 0% fat Greek yogurt in like sauces and things, and so it adds like a little bit of flavor without having too much fat. This is an ingredient I use in my dressings a lot. I got this like avocado oil dressing, which is really good as like a marinade too. But like to food stuff, what I always have, tuna. So I bought like so many cans of tuna. I feel like Ryan thought I was a crazy cat lady, but I love tuna, and it's such a good healthy snack to have for like little mini lunches and stuff. And literally, I'm not kidding you, this is like half the price. Half the price. They're so expensive normally. Really, really cool. Pepperoncinis, because I love spice, and they're really good. So I always like to have those. I always have pumpkin, again, for smoothies. They're really good and easy to put in to smoothies to get a lot of fiber. And it's good, like you can find it out of season. Artichokes for like my pastas, a little zoodle action. Organic cashew butter, I'm not kidding you guys. I try buying this all the time and I can't get myself to do it because normally it's like $30. It was like half the price. It's ridiculous. I mean, it's still like, you know, a premium thing, but such a better price. And then these I was so excited about. So these are actually Thrive Market brands. So they have like their brand, and then they have a lot of other like really good organic, non-GMO, healthy brands that you're used to. But these are beans. I just love the way that they're packaged instead of like being in a like a aluminum can or whatever. So they're already packaged there, and I use them to make hummus. I use them when I'm making tacos, all the things. So we're gonna load up my cabinet so I have easy, like you can throw them in a salad, easy stuff all the time. I have protein, nuts, beans, things to keep me full. Okay, so I think Brian's really happy because we're gonna be saving money. I signed up for like a year membership. But I think what I love about them is their stuff, again, is like 25 to 50% off from like normal prices, and they have these really cool charts you can compare on their site to see like versus a normal grocery store. But they just have all of those things that I always talk about, like getting rid of GMOs, like non-GMO things, organic products. You can sort by different food preferences. So if you're like, oh, I'm gluten-free, or I'm paleo or keto, or whatever you're doing, you can sort by all of those. Like they have tons of different preferences, so you can find like exactly what you're looking for on their site, and all of that stuff's at like ridiculously better prices. Because yeah, if you go to that one grocery store all the time that takes your whole wallet constantly, like you're gonna not be able to get all the stuff that you need to like load your pantry up. But at Thrive, like you can really do that and not spend a ton of money. So it's super budget friendly. All right, so truly, like if you're trying to clean out your cabinets and fill it up with the good stuff, you guys definitely should try Thrive. Like I used them way before they ever sponsored this video. They're such a cool company. And if you do want to try them out, I have a 25% off your first order with them. So I'll put that link down below for you guys. So you get 25% off, and their prices are already discounted, again, like 25 to 50%, which is awesome. You get a free 30-day membership, so you can really try it out and see if it's something that like you're gonna use all the time. And then if you buy their year membership, which is just 60 bucks, if you do that, every time someone does that, a family in need, a low-income family, a veteran, a teacher gets a free membership so that they have the ability to get their hands on healthy, nutritious, like natural ingredient groceries and things, which is so freaking cool. So again, if you're gonna clean out your cabinets and stock it up, go try Thrive. I'll put that down below. And now let's get that cabinet full of this stuff. All right, so these, again, because I'm using them for lunches and stuff, I'm gonna put like right up front. I don't need all these extra sauces like where I can grab them constantly because I just won't use them. So let's stack the tuna. So when I open the cabinet, I'm like, I need food. I go for protein first. Just like literally load it up. All right, cool. And then all my beans. So these I actually will keep up here, which is where I have like my rice and stuff. You can see like my spices, baking stuff, and all my rices. There's not really room in there, but I'll just stack them here. Then we got pepperoncinis. I'm gonna put these in the fridge because I'm gonna eat them with lunch today. So I'll find some space for them in here somewhere. Oh, this is one of the other things I got from Thrive that I'm super excited about. It's jackfruit. So we can make some like jackfruit tacos when we have a meatless Monday or something. And then my cashew butter love, and my pumpkin and artichoke. So all my canned goods go again like on the same shelf as where that tuna was. So I'll put it there. I want these fresh and out so I remember to throw them in my smoothies. And then my cashew butter love. These guys, I'm like loaded up on, I think I have like enough like dressing and sauces, but every time I see them, especially if they're a good deal, I'm like, I need it, so I grab them. So then I'm never out. I'm gonna put my oats with all of my dried fruit and nuts. And again, like toward the front, see it, wanna grab it. And these guys toward the back because I have one in the fridge right now, so I don't need him at the moment. It's like a stacking game. Okay. All right. And then we're good. And look, it looks like super organized, super fresh. I can see everything that I want to grab. I have all my little snack nuts and things right here. All my like drink mixes on the top here, vitamins. These are the ones I've been taking for my hair, PS by the way, and I feel like they're helping so much. And that is it. Like, so easy. You can clean out your cabinets in a short amount of time. It's just really sticking to those simple things. So the rule of 5, if it has more than 5 ingredients, get rid of it in whatever way you see fit for yourself. And then if you can't read the ingredients, get rid of it. Make sure you're organized and nice. And then load it up with the good stuff, stock it, and put it front and center so you can see those things, grab them easily, and just make life like so much easier when you need food. All right, you guys, so don't forget that link for Thrive is down below for you, and we are starting Summer Shape Up on Monday. So that link is below too. Go get signed up. It's free to join the 8-week fitness challenge. We have a 3-day meal plan that's totally free, so you can get a full meal plan to get ready and jumpstart your challenge. And then we're just gonna have a ton of fun, like tons of motivation. There's new videos every single Monday. We're gonna be in the app doing the free daily 10-minute workout together. Like, we got this. So go get signed up if you're not already. Post your I'm in graphic on Instagram, and I'll see you guys ready to sweat on Monday.